Why is it that a lot of well educated and talented people are still living paycheck to paycheck or just over broke? They can be really good at making money, but a lot of them are ignorant when it comes to making their money grow or just keeping them aside. Even those that get really lucky, like the lottery winners, they end up losing everything because when it comes to money, ignorance will likely lead to temporary wealth, mismanagement of money, money problems, which are the opposite of comfort and peace of mind. Why is that, you ask? Our traditional school systems are mostly focused on teaching students the knowledge and skills required to find a job or a career that would help in making money. But a lot of students never learn how to manage money, which includes investing, unless, of course, you're a finance major or in some other related field. But even finance students are not guaranteed to become great money managers. They can learn all of the terminologies, the algorithm, and how to play the game, but they may not have learned the emotional intelligence required to become a successful money manager. It's very sad to see people working so hard and just not getting ahead financially. By taking the time to learn how to manage money allowed me to attain financial peace, provide financial support, and teach financial tools and processes that are working for me in the stock market. It takes 15 to 20 years to build a track record in the stock market, and I'm still in the process of building mine. But I recently compared my performance with my company's fund manager and the S&P 500 index funds, which consist of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US. And what I found was that year to date, the S&P 500 has a rate of return of about 17%, which is currently beating my company's fund manager's rate of return of 12%. But the three accounts that I'm personally managing, have rate of returns of 28%, 37%, and 47%. Past performance, however, doesn't guarantee future performance. But because my process is based on lessons learned from successful investors that have 20 to 50 years track record, combined with my own experiences from trial and error, I have attained financial bliss. If you're interested in learning how to invest in stocks using stock market tools, visit www.optionwits.com. I can help you save time learning the basics and help you avoid unnecessary mistakes that most new investors make. No matter where you're at or where you're starting from, just remember this: stop being ignorant about your money. The truth will set you free.